Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can transfer files between multiple devices that are on the same network using only one command. And this thing can be done on Linux, between Linux and Linux, between Linux and Windows. It can be done probably between Windows and Windows, but I still didn't try it. In a future video I may tell you how to do it between Windows and Linux, because I already tried it many times. And it also can be done between BSD computers, maybe also between Linux and BSD computers, and also Mac OS. So it's cross-platform command. In this tutorial I'm going to use two machines running Linux. For you, that doesn't also depend on the distribution that you need to run. For you, you can, or in the future, I will tell you how we can do it between Windows and Linux, or maybe also Windows and Windows if it's possible. So the command is SCP. You can see the full details about it when you open the manual page by typing man SCP. Okay, you need of course to have SSH installed on your both computers to be able to run this command. And the syntax of the command is simple, so it should be SCP as it's written in the SCP here. When I type it SCP, it gave me this SCP, and then the options here like this, and then the source, and then the target. So SCP dash option, whichever it is. It can be, for example, A, it can be R, it can be V. For example, R for folders if you want to transfer folders, V verbos, and so on. It can be P, I guess, for changing the port, or big P, not small p like here it says, dash P, big P. And then the source. The source, if it's local, you just type the path to the source. Path to the source. If it is, if the source is remote, you type user of the remote computer, and then its IP address, and then colon, and then the path. It can be anything, home slash username. It can be like Mark, Samuel, whatever it is, and then the folder. If you want to use if you want to transfer folder, you can specify R. For P, the port number, as I said before, never mind this one. And then if it is, as I said, the source, if it's remote, you type user, IP address, path. And then the target, if it's local, it should be the path directly. If you want to move, if you want to copy it to the same folder as the playing or the working directory or the working path, when you type pwd you're gonna get it. You just type period here. Okay, if for example the source is, if the target is remote and the source is local, you just type here the local path. You don't type exactly the same as this, but it should be something like /home /user /something, or bin /something. And then if the target is remote, you type whatever it is. It can be user, the username, it can be anything. For example, Michael. Okay, and then the IP address can be 10.100.20.50, and then colon, and then the path can be home, Michael, and then desktop, something from his desktop, and then file.txt, for example. If this exists, and then you run this command, it's gonna be, it's gonna work. And then let's try to do this thing. So here we have, let's say for example, let's take Nero Linux 4zip. So this one, its IP address is like this, 10.0.0.38, and then the username is technician. So to run this command, it's going to be SCP. The source is in a remote machine, so it's going to be technician at 0.10.0. We type the IP address, then home, and then technician, and then take the file name. So let's type this again, sorry. And then we take, for example, this one, Nero Linux 4zip. And then we want to copy it directly to the working directory. And then we type, for that we need to type a period, enter. We put our password for the user. We wait some time because it may take some time depending on the size of the file that you would like to transfer. In our case, it's not very big, probably it's 30 megabytes or something. And then we're done. We're supposed to be done. Alright, so we're gonna make a file to show you the other way. So we're gonna move from we're gonna transfer from the local to the remote. Test.transfer. Okay, that's our file. And then we want to do that SCP test, and then we want to move it or transfer it, not move it, sorry. We can transfer it to the same source that we used before. It's going to become now our destination 38, and then home/technician, and then like that, enter, same way, enter. Yep, it's because it's empty. So here we can make sure that our file Nero is here. You can see it here, it's transferred correctly. And then here we will find, first here we don't see any test, right? These are all our files, right? There is no test. But because we have transferred that file, it's here, test.transfer. We can copy it and transfer it again, test, and then test. We make it 1, okay? And then we can do the same command here, but we change the name. Instead of test.transfer 1, enter, password, then done. We will have 2 tests here, test transfer and then test transfer 1. I guess that's it. Remember that we can do this on Windows with small difference. In a future video, hopefully I can do the demonstration for you. In this video, I hope it's clear for you. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Don't also hesitate to subscribe if you're interested in a similar content. If I made any mistake, I'm sorry for it. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.